President Bola Tinubu has ordered the immediate suspension of the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Alleviation, Dr. Betta Edu, from office. The suspension, according to a statement issued by the Special Advisor to the President on Media and Publicity, Ajuri Ngelale, was in line with the avowed commitment to upholding the highest standards of integrity, transparency and accountability in the management of the Commonwealth of Nigerians. According to the statement, the President further directed the Executive Chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, to conduct a thorough investigation into all aspects of the financial transactions involving the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Alleviation, as well as one or more agencies thereunder. The President therefore directed the suspended minister to hand over to the Permanent Secretary of the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Alleviation and fully cooperate with the investigating authorities as they conduct their investigation. Furthermore, the President tasked a panel headed by the Coordinating Minister of the Economy and Minister of Finance to, among other functions, conduct a comprehensive diagnostic of the financial architecture and framework of the social investment programs to conclusively reform the relevant institutions and programs in a determined bid to eliminate all institutional frailties for the exclusive benefit of disadvantaged households and win back the lost public confidence in the initiative. The directives of the President is with immediate effect. Meanwhile, Betta Edu's predecessor, Sadiya Umar Farouk, has presented herself for interrogation at the headquarters of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. Sadiya Umar Farouk, who served under President Muhammadu Buhari as Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, is being investigated over the sum of 37,170,855,753.44 naira, which was allegedly laundered during her tenure through a contractor, James Okwete. She made her way to the EFCC office in Abuja earlier on Monday.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.